ha dewela ahụ na propaganda ha bubuta ya fly. It can never fly. Ono see no new video call. I am still waiting for the evidence. Sometimes I'm not even the matter to where radio. Do not allow personal enemy mother to push you into believing what you know that is not true. Ogechi for once has never denied saying that thing done at that video. The problem, however, is that now that video upload video for no video share. Now, what is the intention of people who Jpac video? Let me tell you why these people when sense. Habido secret wekwa ife Ogechi kwuru maka Fada Mbaka. Why na ha kwuru the worst one? In fact, about Jpac Ogechi kwuru na Mbaka kwuru nde dibia for ugbo. Jpac kwuru no 8 ka ọ kwuru ugbo. They said worse than what Ogechi said. So, on a common sense, now the moment they have bidoli share nke Ogechi kwuru, na ye bidokwa share wakwa nke ha kwuru, nde enwero sense. Nde enwero sense. Ogechi has proven to be the odudu belo no namu. Ogechi has proven to be the agbala in the content creators. Ogechi has proven to be onyere ngogba in the content creators. Ono na agbagari ka coward na asho nde ya noro no go now ono try go nde newi feluo ono try ya nwa ono feel ono chok ono go lai nwa feluo ono choba nde adoration ko ono je nweta nde adorers na Enugu ko ono ma na nde adorers. Look, let me tell you, that course Mbaka laid on Ogechi can as well be the same course laid on those other two people, because Fanchani knew the same thing Kafakulu. They got to go. Fanchani knew the same thing Kafakulu. So Ogechi as guilty as Jpac and the local government chairman. In fact, Jpac and local government chairman do even more guilty than Ogechi. So why going to bring back old videos? Up till today, I am still up till now. I'm still waiting for somebody who will prove to me wrong. You cannot say that. The excuse how Mbaka for your since. No, how can he not see it since when the issue and the matter was so controversial at that time that he even started replying a lot of videos Mbaka made them on Facebook, including this one. Including this one. Now they went and digged it up. Now, unlike Ife, very dark man, or one na I'm only for them obulo. Only if I'm about investigative journalism. If the person, blogger, giving that news cannot verify that news before giving you that news, verify it yourself before believing it. It is not too difficult to do so. For example, Ogaho, very dark man who na Pastor Jeremiah, everything about spiritual material say don't page. What I expected people to do is to go to Mercy City page. Jeremiah is yoku only Jereba ekafuno na atoga. So Oga na eku na video for Emenu na adoration ground Enugu. Ike eje na page adoration ministry Enugu. Ilu eba he man ya for that video. Only ilu eba he for that video. Kelebe that video does. You gotta go ask yourself questions. People should not take us away from what is happening. Let Jpac and his people go and face their fears. You cannot run away from your shadow. You cannot run away from your shadow. It should recruit the whole content creator same way. Man, they do shameless nimeha. On a bishia. In a wezioku keta. Only when you na boy wezioku. We don't know how the spirit of Sagana control. We don't know how wickedness and your constant hatred to Ogechi for being guilty of the same thing Jpac is guilty of. Why will you go and resurrect old videos? Nay, share only one portion of that video, forgetting that now those two other people may get worse than and do the same thing. Nay, so Jpac ikuru non do kadirie ka local government chairman ukuru mboten that apology to Enugu. Now go and watch that video. You cannot doubt me. If you are doubting me, I am stating the fact. I cannot be lying at this age. After giving that word of assurance to people, only to find out that neither is sure of what you are saying. You are only making up those stories. For Zion. At the end of the day, feel policy that you are a man of value and standard. say no when them gang up of people manipulate you. Why did they not manipulate me? Have I not shown you that I'm wiser than you? Have I not shown you that I have more standard and value more than you? If they can manipulate you, why did they not manipulate me as you go? I am asking you a question. So deal with it. Deal with it. If you circulate the video, circulate yanke Jpac and a local government chairman, Governor Ziopu, circulate yanke. Otherwise, I want somebody to still prove to me that the mother say, okay, she made the video again stating that no kuriye or denying no kuhe. So denying whether na made the video upload the issue. The issue here is that then whether na go wana ajum no kuriye or no kuhe, what of nke Jpac and a governor Ziopu he kuriye or na he kuhe upload the same thing. They said even worse. So the issue is that video upload video for, and I have proven all of you wrong. If you want to prove me right, go and show me a video with the Ifedima adoration Enugu stating the time and date. Ejuwe made that video. Yemenwe. Nche go sing video back Zion no Zion keta. If 49 minutes ago, if you go and show me that video. You cannot show me that video. Your people cannot distract us. Trying to why are you people running away from confronting Ogechi? Open no believe Ogechi defeat go no. You people should shut down. Meshia no no kudewe go kudewe. Ona agbagarizi na aja achomde ya no lo no go kan na agwo no. Only filu no go ana ma na ya no nwe. Officially surrender. Onye surrender lo egbe osokwenye wo onye ohi ka onye police surrender la egbe dewe na ana. Onye ohi a ga ni hu gba egbe man not very heartless. When you surrender onye ha mara na ida abiazi onye ha retreat ye mgba ya ekpude ekpe udo mgbe ndị senate ya atụ mmadụ nga after all onye kwuru okwu ka ya atụ nga oblongo ndị nnewichi no go onye kwuru okwu ka ya nso go oblongo but ọnwụ na ịmanye ike ịnọ gwa ha do instead of ịda agbagharị eji achọ ndị ya recruit like coward. Why can't you just accept defeat na kpolo onwe gị onye go na eme ife amara na accept go defeat ọ gawala onwe mana ọgwụgwọ na ka na ekugharị na agbagharị. We will not allow you. We will not allow you. That video emege spy. You got to go. Man, no sure ka ikwuo maka I discuss both your videos and that of Ogechi. How can you be accusing somebody in a crime that you are also as guilty as if not more guilty than? That this is not those days only play with our mind in the modern internet at well. You into solo and happy mind in the mother poppy. Keta and we go to new sheriffs and town. The other go, we can counter you with that your lies. We'll look fat, we throw away those fictions in the web. That video awful and up to today. Video 2 days ago. I was there. I was there. Go see me evidence or do difficult. Go see evidence. Unuko can do two matayas higher de pufu kuono. Nering eba ya bomba. E can only mering a kana bani ye mefa. What evidence go same no video of can make sure no. Up till today. Unwepo honye so se bonison through vida na page in the adoration. So say bonison for that video na page in the adoration. Ndo zoni na for her. Amodu ne bonison so na nde na serve mass na adoration. Ojuwe woro so nya for mgbe emelie. Ono na agwa elu ndị ọzọ niile afọ ha ndị niile na-ekele mụ na ha furu video awo ndị enemy Ogechi on ndị enemy Ogechi. It's not even as if na ha Africa adoration on Mbaka n'anya ọkwa ndị ahụ with some people na come back on na asị ojukonye this prophecy about Nigeria, but for the sake of Ogechi they are with Mbaka in this moment. A na-ekwu go. This video is not about Mbaka. This video is about Ogechi and Jpac, and nobody is going to take us away from that reality. Let him face it. All he can let him surrender. Okari hotua akambo. Manu no woke ezugo. Buefi triple shift. Okari hotua.